Hello everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another IAAI walk around insurance auto auctions. Yep, they have really cool cars, and the manager here, Cliff, has allowed me to come in and take a look. The sale day is actually on Tuesdays, so on Mondays the public can come in and take a look at the cars they're interested in bidding on. That's what I'm doing. I'm checking out all kinds of cars, and I want you to check out right here my Bengal butt. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
She's a dusty girl, but check out that big old bodacious Bengal butt. Yeah, this was the designer who designed the car, and they didn't like it. Folks did not like the rear end on these cars, and that's what they call it, the Bengal butt. I think his name was Chris Bengal, if I remember right. Anyway, I wanted to check this out. I've always loved this body style. You're just rolling the dice, though. It is so risky. I love these wheels. These M Sport wheels. I just noticed that. Those are gorgeous. Yeah, with these cars, they have so many little control modules and relays and everything. They were very technologically advanced back in the day, and now that everything is older, it's really kind of scary. You don't know if you're going to make it or not. This does not match. So I guess maybe they hit something, broke the rim on that one, but everything else seems to be okay. The bumper is just loose. I mean, the little plastic piece right here, that's no biggie. I've done worse. I've done with worse than that. And this is the 745. Come on, open up. Open up. Ah, yeah. This isn't the V12, this is the V8. So you get a little bit more room, but not a whole lot more. It's a big engine, and it is a pain in the bootay to work on. It really, really is. And I've read nightmares about changing parts, spark plugs, and all that kind of stuff in the V12. This is the V8, so maybe it's a little bit easier. Lots of plastic covering up the engine. Let's see what the inside looks like. Let's see what the inside looks like, because the outside is just the wheel and probably a broken headlight. But what, like I said, it's risky. Okay, what's it going to smell like? Well, come on. Oh, here we go. Okay, so this is open. These are big cars. And they have been... Look how much room you get back there. See? Yeah. You get a ton of room back here. Why is this locked? Let me see if I can reach up here and... I can't get it. Okay, let's go in from the other side. Okay. Everything is so dusty. It's just hard to see. Let's see if this one's open. I think it is. Okay. Smell doesn't smell bad. That's good. Comfortable seats with like lipstick or something on that. I don't know. She's dirty though. Wow. Yeah, she is. She's been driven hard. Look at the steering wheel. They've been gripping that for a long, long time. Oh, you can paint. A little something. Here's part of a key. There you go, which just inserts right there. You push your start and stop. And it's owned by a smoker. Wow. Yeah, everything is dead. So I can't even open the... Okay, well... I really wanted one of these back in the day, and then they just became so scary to own. They drive like a huge freight train until something goes wrong, and then you're on the side of the road waiting for the tow truck. So we're just gonna call this one a quick little tour. We're gonna say goodbye to the Bengal butt. Oh, what was this anyway? This is a 2003, yeah, BMW 745i. Li. Li? Yeah. Li, limo, long edition. How about a 2010 Lexus RX with an IV drip and one little area of impact. Well, two little areas. Kaboom, kaboom. You need a door. You're going to need some control arms. You're going to need a fender. I can't open this door because I think it's going to damage this, but I do want to show you kind of what's going on the inside. These are great cars. This is a hybrid. Yeah, I had a colleague that has one of these and loves it. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah. It's got an IV drip. No, they're collecting moisture. That's kind of a cool way to do it. Damp rid. It does smell like a hospital in here. I do have to say that. There's a definite alcoholish smell, but the inside is really nice. This is nice. You get the roof rack on top. 4 good tires. Lots of room in the back. It's a very sterile smell. Lots of room in the back right there. Rear seat entertainment system. I don't know though, the leather in these has always been kind of iffy to me, or even if it is leather, I don't know. But this is a nice place to be, okay? You get the wood steering wheel, all kinds of wood little touches here and there. Probably heated and cooled seats, I'm guessing, due to the leather that they've used. Here's your owner's manual. That's nice. Okay. And a little bitty teeny tiny window right there. That's funny. So you don't hit the curb. Yeah, when you're driving the car. All right. The Lexus RX Hybrid here at IAAI. Check it out. When's the last time you saw one of these? How about an Oldsmobile Cutlass Sierra SL? Back when America couldn't make cars. No, I can't say that. Right? Look at this thing. These were just boxes. Design, I don't know how much effort went into any kind of a design. Look at the window switches. Yeah, my dad had some Cutlasses back in the day. Older than this, but better than this. This thing is just a brick. It is literally just a brick. And you get all kinds of oil and all kinds of trash on the inside right there. But look at this. This is kind of interesting. Look at the support. Okay, right here, these two things that line up to these two things that hold your seatbelt. Yep, there you go. That would hold you in case of an accident. Look at this old dash. How many miles? Only 84,000 miles on this car. All the radios always look the same. Yep, they always look the same. All the HVAC system switches always look the same. Yep, this thing, it was classy back in the day, but I don't know. These have just been forgotten, I think, by so many people. Let's open up the hood and see what's underneath there. Yeah, these things, they're short, they're squatty, they're weird. I love the wire wheels though. I think those are kind of classy. I had a Riviera 85. Uh-oh, somebody just got me. This little piece of crap. Hold on. I'm getting attacked by this. Hold on, we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Ugh. Let's take a look at this. I need to bring a rag so I can, oh my gosh. There it is. Oh, this thing weighs a ton. Yep, 3100 SFI V6, transversely mounted. This thing powered lots and lots of vehicles back in the day. Look at that. Wow. Okay. She's a little oily. She hasn't been driven in a long, long time, I don't think. Look at the dust. It's just covered in dust. I can't even hold this thing up. I don't have another arm to grab the support bar to put on this. But anyway, I just thought I'd show you what a vehicle looked like back in 1995 from General Motors. Ouch. Ow. So who would you rather, a 1995 Oldsmobile or the 1995, it's a 93 actually, Mercedes 300E. 300E for me all day long. Okay, that's gonna do it for another IAAI walk-around video. Thanks to Cliff, the manager here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, for letting me do this. Super nice guy, super nice people. Pretty nice cars if you're looking for something at an auction go to IAAI.com. You can check them out. Hey, don't forget, you have Monkey Wrench Mike stickers right here. Just cash at me, Ben's Guy 99. I'll send you a sticker for $3. Please send me a picture back of the sticker on your car. I'll do a whole video of stickers on cars. That's what we'll call it. It'll go viral. Stickers on cars. Yeah. Send that to monkeywrenchmike123@gmail.com. Yep. Thank you very much for watching, folks. We are back with a video very, very soon.